She did not arrive in Hollywood through decades of family fame, yet there was always something undeniably captivating about her presence. With a rare combination of confidence, elegance, and emotional depth, Elizabeth Yu didn't simply step into the entertainment industry hoping to be noticed. She gradually built a reputation as a talented young actress capable of bringing complexity and authenticity to every role. By taking on the iconic role of Princess Azula in Avatar: The Last Airbender, she introduced herself to a global audience and established herself as one of the most promising rising stars of her generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 6, 2002, in the United States, Elizabeth Yu developed an interest in storytelling and performance from a young age. While many aspiring actors dream of success, she focused on building the skills necessary to thrive in a highly competitive industry. Her early years were shaped by curiosity, creativity, and a determination to pursue opportunities that challenge her as both an artist and an individual. As she entered the world of professional acting, Elizabeth steadily gained experience through television and film projects. Rather than relying on shortcuts, she embraced the gradual process of developing her craft. Casting directors quickly recognized her ability to portray emotionally layered characters, while audiences responded to her natural screen presence and expressive performances. A defining milestone arrived when Netflix selected her to portray Princess Azula in the live-action adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. The role carried enormous expectations due to Azula's legendary status among fans of the original animated series. Intelligent, ambitious, and exceptionally powerful, Azula is one of the franchise's most memorable characters. Elizabeth approached the challenge with dedication, balancing the character's intimidating confidence with the emotional complexity hidden beneath the surface. As the series progressed into its second season, her role became even more significant. Season 2 explores Azula's strategic brilliance, growing influence within the Fire Nation, and increasingly complicated personal struggles. These developments allow Elizabeth to showcase a broader emotional range while bringing depth to a character often defined solely by her strength and ambition. Her portrayal has generated considerable attention from viewers eager to see one of the franchise's most compelling storylines unfold. By 2026, Elizabeth Yu is widely regarded as one of Hollywood's emerging young talents. Industry professionals recognize her professionalism and versatility, while audiences appreciate her ability to bring authenticity to demanding roles. Her career reflects careful growth, built through dedication, preparation, and a willingness to embrace challenging opportunities. Away from the spotlight, Elizabeth maintains a balanced and grounded lifestyle. She values personal development, creative exploration, and maintaining strong connections with family and friends. Despite the demands of an increasingly busy career, she continues to prioritize growth both professionally and personally. Her fashion style reflects modern sophistication with a youthful edge. Whether attending premieres, interviews, or industry events, Elizabeth often chooses elegant contemporary looks that highlight her confidence without appearing overly extravagant. Her growing visibility has also attracted attention from fashion publications and lifestyle media outlets. While public curiosity often extends to her personal relationships, Elizabeth prefers to keep much of her private life away from constant attention. Instead, she focuses on her work, artistic development, and the opportunities ahead. Those who have worked with her frequently describe her as dedicated, respectful, and committed to delivering her best performance on every project. As of 2026, Elizabeth Yu's estimated net worth reflects earnings from television productions, streaming projects, film appearances, endorsements, and other professional ventures. Although still early in her career compared with many established Hollywood stars, her growing popularity suggests significant long-term potential within the entertainment industry. What many fans admire most is her ability to bring emotional nuance to powerful characters. Rather than relying solely on dramatic moments, she creates performances that feel genuine and believable. That authenticity has become one of the defining qualities of her work and a major reason why audiences continue to connect with her performances. Elizabeth Yu's journey continues to evolve with every new role. From a young performer pursuing her passion for acting to portraying one of fantasy television's most iconic characters, her rise reflects discipline, perseverance, and a genuine love for storytelling. As she continues building her career in 2026, she stands as a symbol of the entertainment industry's next generation, talented, focused, and ready for an exciting future. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about her was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of confidence, emotional depth, and natural screen presence, Kiawentiio didn't simply enter Hollywood as another young actress. She crafted an identity of her own, transforming her passion for storytelling and music into one of the most promising careers of her generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on April 28, 2006, in Ontario, Canada, Kiawentiio's journey began far from the major studios of Hollywood. A proud member of the Mohawk community of Akwesasne, she grew up surrounded by a rich cultural heritage that shaped both her identity and artistic perspective. From an early age, she developed a passion for acting, music, and creative expression, discovering that storytelling could become both a career and a way to represent her community on an international stage. Her professional career began through television and film projects that immediately showcased her emotional maturity and natural talent. Even in her earliest performances, directors recognized her ability to deliver authentic, emotionally grounded characters. Each new opportunity strengthened her experience, while steadily building her reputation within the entertainment industry. Her biggest breakthrough arrived when Netflix selected her to portray Katara in the live-action adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. Taking on one of the franchise's most beloved characters required extensive preparation, including action training, emotional character development, and the responsibility of meeting the expectations of millions of longtime fans worldwide. As the series continued into Season 2, Kiawentiio expanded Katara's emotional journey, portraying her growing confidence as a waterbending master, protector, and compassionate leader. Her performance earned praise for balancing strength with kindness while bringing fresh depth to the iconic character. The success of the series established her as one of Hollywood's fastest-rising young actresses. By 2026, Kiawentiio is recognized as both a talented actress and an emerging singer-songwriter. Industry professionals admire her versatility, audiences appreciate her authenticity, and producers increasingly view her as one of Canada's brightest young entertainers. Her career reflects consistent growth built on dedication, artistic discipline, and meaningful storytelling. Off-screen, her lifestyle reflects balance, humility, and cultural pride. Despite achieving international recognition at a young age, she remains closely connected to her Indigenous roots while continuing to develop both her acting and musical career. Family, creativity, and personal growth remain central to her daily life. Her fashion style mirrors her personality: elegant, youthful, and naturally confident. Whether attending Netflix premieres, entertainment events, or fashion appearances, Kiawentiio combines modern style with authenticity, creating a public image that feels genuine rather than manufactured. Although public curiosity about her personal life continues to grow, she remains focused primarily on her artistic development. She consistently chooses to highlight her work, music, and cultural representation instead of unnecessary publicity. Colleagues frequently describe her as professional, thoughtful, hardworking, and deeply committed to her craft. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects earnings from Netflix productions, acting projects, music releases, endorsements, and brand collaborations. Beyond financial success, she has established herself as an important young voice for Indigenous representation within global entertainment. What many people admire most is her authenticity. Whether performing as Katara, writing music, or speaking about her heritage, Kiawentiio brings honesty and sincerity to everything she does. That genuine approach continues to distinguish her in an increasingly competitive industry. Kiawentiio's journey is defined by steady growth instead of overnight fame. From a talented young performer in Ontario to portraying Katara in Netflix's Avatar, The Last Airbender, her rise reflects determination, creativity, and cultural pride. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as one of Canada's most exciting young stars, versatile, grounded, and built for lasting success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.